In the meantime, in the Midwest, there's a nasty blizzard that's on the move. It's threatening to bring strong winds, heavy snow, and whiteout conditions. Travel disruptions and power outages also in the forecast. Fox Weather storm specialist Mike Seidel live in Two Harbors, Minnesota, along Lake Superior. Mike, it's looking active out there. What do you see?
Yes, we've had blizzard conditions now for 4 hours. Duluth has verified a blizzard. They've gusted over 65 miles an hour since last night when the wind picked up and the snow started falling. Up here on the Arrowhead, we've had as much as 13 inches, and we're looking at 2 feet plus. You can see how the wind is blowing the snow around. It's 27, and the wind chill's 11. So it's a powdery snow, but not super powdery, but enough wind out here to cause drifts. I've seen drifts as high as 3 feet. Now, we want to show you Lake Superior. We've got a storm warning on Lake Superior right now. 5 to 8 footers. Look at this. Have you ever seen Lake Superior like this in person? I have not. I've seen it down around Duluth. Sometimes it gets really. And look at the snow I'm stepping in here. Look at this, down on my knees as we walk out towards the lake. Water temperature, by the way, 32 degrees. Duluth has had 8 inches of snow. Oh, and they're running a deficit of about 50%. They were at about 40 inches, and they should be at about 60. Look at this water and ice coming in off Superior. If this doesn't get you cold, nothing will. The blizzard warning goes till noon tomorrow, the storm warning till 6. This is a localized area between Duluth and the Canadian border, including Grand Marais and Silver Harbor, and here in Two Harbors. So again, a wild situation here. Making up for the snowfall. Minneapolis, by the way, if you're heading that way, they will get a little bit of snow, but not much. They've been in the 50s the past couple of days, but now turning colder once again.
I'm getting cold just watching you through the screen. Winter's not messing around this year, I guess. Mike Seidel live in Minnesota.
Nope.
Mike, thank you.